Hello, it's Gary from Remap and Revive here today with a customer that we've done cars for many years now. 3 cars to do today, Dad, Mum and Son. First car we're doing is the Son's car. It's been in the family many years, was Mum's car and it's now the Son's. Mercedes A170 1600 petrol turbo, giving it a carbon clean. No problem seen with it, it just hasn't had a clean for a few years, so they thought they'd get it done today. Then next we're going to do this E300 2-litre petrol. It's a 2018 car, be the first time we've cleaned this one. And then we're going to do the one we did originally many years ago and been back to do a few times since, E220 CDi. The car doesn't do many miles anymore. Used to commute 50 odd miles a day, but now just sort of potters around locally. So I think we last cleaned it 2 years ago, so we're back. Going to give this one a clean today as well.